most important branch of plant, that is Bryophyta. Bryophyta, plants under Bryophyta mostly terrestrial. That means they grow on the soil. Terrestrial means what? Grows on the soil surface. And aquatic means what? They grow inside the water. That is called as aquatic. Bryophyta mostly terrestrial plants found on moist, shady places. Moisture is there. Also, shady. Shady means in Marathi सावली जिथं आहे, दुसऱ्या वनस्पतींच्या खाली, दुसऱ्या झाडांच्या खाली. They are amphibious plant. Amphi means what? Amphi means both. Bears. They can live in the water as well as on the land. That is called as amphibious plants because water is necessary for the process of fertilization. In this plant, mosses, these are the mosses here. Look here. In the rainy season, that mosses grows on the walls, moist soils, on the surface of bricks, on the surface of soil, on the surface of walls. These are earth crust. These are the mosses which grows on shady places and in the moist places. And fertilization process in this plant, that means small plant, when we can observe under microscope, compound microscope, the capsules produces spores and reproduction process of this Bryophyta takes place in the medium of water. They require water or they need water for the fertilization. Therefore called as amphibious. They need water. Life cycle of Bryophyta shows sporophytic and gametophytic stages. This is sporophytic phase, and when spores are produced, that is called as this is a sporophytic stage. It consists rhizoid, that will then phyloid on the main axis. Phyloid means leaf-like structure, not actually leaf, but leaf-like small structures arise circularly or arranged spirally on the main axis, and then there is the presence of a capsule, rounded part which consists spores. Here seta connect the capsule with this leaf-like structure, phyloid, the root region, and rhizoids. Rhizoid, what is the function of rhizoid? Absorption of water and mineral. Foot area consists green colored phyloids. Function photosynthesis because of green in color. They, yes, with the help of CO2, H2O, sunlight, they can produce their own food. That is photosynthesis. And seta is the part without that phyloid connect the capsule with this food. And overall, this total structure is called as sporophytic phase. And when that spores are, when this capsule break open, spores are released. From that spore, development of a gametophyte, and that gametophyte consists male and female reproductive structures, and this is a gametophytic phase. That means sporophytic phase, then after maturity, gametophytic phase. From this gametophytic phase, after fertilization, because there is a male and female gametes are there, after fertilization there is a production of another new mass. Means what? First sporophytic phase, after maturity, sporophytic phase gives rise to gametophytic phase. After fertilization, gametophytic phase develops into again sporophytic phase. That means alternation of generation takes place. Sporophytic phase, gametophytic phase. Gametophytic phase, sporophytic phase. That is called as alternation of generation. And here in the moss, the alternation of generation takes place. Their life cycle of Bryophyta shows sporophytic and gametophytic phase. Root-like structure called the rhizoids present. Rhizoids absorb water and minerals. Example, mosses and beaver.